Okay, we're back at Dan and Tammy's remodel, and today we're going to start the process of retiling a fireplace front. And what we're doing right now is we have all our scaffolding set up, and we've removed sheetrock, and we're going to replacing the sheetrock with fiber rock backer. Same thing you would use in a shower. And the reason for that is because the tile that we're using is so big and heavy, you really don't want it to stick directly to the sheetrock. A lot of people would just come in and stick it to the sheetrock, but we don't like that idea because we want to make sure that it doesn't peel the paper and eventually come off. We'll get another view of this. So this is a really tall fireplace. I'm thinking it's about 18 feet. And so we've also, while we had that opened, since we have a fireplace on the other side that we're working on, we went in and we measured and marked all the studs in the header so that we could put the TV bracket back up and we would know where they were. So we just put a piece of tape out here and mark the studs so we can find them later and not have a boo-boo in this new tile. Also, you'll see a piece of wood on here with some electric boxes sticking out of it. That's what we put in for the backing for the new mantel we're going to build. We're going to build an oak mantel, and we're going to build it in place and stain it after this tile's done. And one of the other projects that we're doing here is we're replacing this starting step on these stairs. And the reason is because for some reason there was an inch difference in the height of the steps from this step down to the starting step, and they were tripping on it because you get to the last step, these are all the same, and then you get to this last one and it changes the height. That's super dangerous. You're not supposed to have that big of a difference in tread height. And so they came down a couple times, they've tripped because they missed their step. The other thing is that for some reason they put this starting step is way too narrow. It should be a few inches wider. As you can see, it's the same width as a tread, but on a landing portion of stairs, either the beginning and wherever there's a turn, you really need a wider step to start out on. It doesn't have to be twice as wide or anything, but you need a good landing area for your feet so your heel and your toe are always on that solid surface when you're changing down to the finish. One of the things that we're going to have to do is we have these iron balusters, so we'll just cut them and reset them. So this will be interesting to keep track of. We'll have this done here pretty quickly. Okay, that'll do it for this video. Hey, if you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to follow me on YouTube, like our channel, and stay with us.